This is how you're going to sell on Amazon using Printify. So this is how you sell custom t-shirts or mugs without holding stock. So first thing you're going to do is to make sure that you have your professional Amazon seller account. Now, once you have it, you're going to head over to your printify.com dashboard. And then from your dashboard, you're going to head over to the left side panel and then click on My New Store at the top. Now, from here, you're just going to head over to Manage My Store section and then click on Add New Stores. Now, from this page, you're going to have to connect your store. You're going to choose Amazon among the list that you have here. So this is an example of a sales channel. You're just going to click on that. And then from here, you're going to click on Continue from the bottom right corner of the screen. And then you're going to choose a Printify store to connect. Either you want to create a new store or if you already have an existing store. So for this one, I'm just going to create a new store by typing in a name for this new store and then click Continue. Now, you're going to have to set up an Amazon US professional seller account. If you already have one, you can just click on this checkbox right here to check this, and then you're going to click on Connect. Now, after that, you're going to request a G10 exemption, and then once you have it completed, you're just going to click on Connect right here, and then you can now start on selling on Amazon using Printify. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.